introduce myself. My name is Putri Lintang Stiani Tias. You can call me Putri. I am from class 10 accounting 2. My favorite food is chicken satay. The reason I like chicken satay is because of its savory and sweet taste, plus the delicious peanut sauce and the grilled taste that makes it even more delicious. Satay originates from Indonesia, specifically Java, inspired by Middle Eastern meat grilling techniques. Thank you so much. See you again.